Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on the application of Temu. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Temu and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you